Buddy, what are you doing? Topsoil Terry here, once again bringing you everything that's up with the clutch and down with the fuel pedal. Today's episode, we're going to recap how many drivers I have rode with and how many awesome guys that I've met out there doing this stuff. First one, Andre Denemy, one of my close friends, one of the best guys that I've ever met in my entire life. He's awesome, really cool guy. He was nice enough to give me a ride in Savage at Onaway, and actually a couple other times too. But I brought you guys footage of that one. Here it is. Really? I promise, guys, it gets bigger. It's just gotta, get worked up. This never happens. Here we go.
Mac V8 versus Cat Freightliner.
Yeah. Dynamic, Tyson Brand, watch out.
The next one is his brother, Michel Denemy. Now, anyone that's familiar with Michel Denemy knows that his truck can seriously pop some wheelies. I mean, at the rodeo, maybe it was just barely, but he got both tires off the ground. You could actually see daylight under it. That one was pretty cool. He was nice enough to give me a ride in that, while my wife rode with Travis Van Kessel as we raced, and we were able to give you guys a side-by-side of that one. That one was pretty cool. Here's that one. Now, I've also been fortunate enough, speaking of Travis Van Kessel, to get a ride with him, and that one took a little longer to get because he didn't go to all the same races that I went to, and COVID and all that stuff kind of kiboshed that, but we eventually were able to get it done, and he was able to give me one at the Coonley track. So here's one of him giving me a ride in Crazy Train. So I'm riding with Travis Van Kessel down here at the Coonley Motorsports Park. Travis, you having a good time yet?
Great time already.
Just wait till we get this rip in here, guys. Yeah! Travis Van Kessel, ladies and gentlemen. Next, we've got footage of Zach Newton. That one was pretty cool. I got to go on his truck down in Lufkin, Texas. Zach's a pretty good guy. Really, really high respect for him. For one of the younger racers out there, he's got a pretty bad truck. He gave me a ride in that one. And I also learned a very valuable lesson from Mike Sofa. When you're in one of these trucks, they have a lot of horsepower. Hold on to something and get ready to laugh as you watch this clip.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh, hi guys.
Don't you hold on to something.
This is going to be great to watch. And of course, my list could not be complete without adding Mario Monette, another one of my good buddies. Great guy, does a lot of charity work. If you have no idea what the Beast is, that's his truck. 4,000 horsepower, folks. I was fortunate enough to get a ride in this truck. Everybody always wants one. I brought you guys footage of that. Roll that beautiful footage. I've been fortunate to ride with a lot of other guys, and there's some that I am looking forward to going for a ride in their trucks. There's a lot of guys out there like Chops, Joe Bear, Laverne Zimmerman, Justin Nubius. I mean, these are just guys that I'm shooting from the hip. Guys, if I didn't mention your name, trust me, there's so many of you that I've met over the years that have awesome trucks. We would be here for an hour. But the point is Austin and I are trying to provide something different. We're trying to get you guys the best footage that we can and give you the closest thing that we can possibly give you to actually being there and being in the truck. So, if you do me a favor, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, become a member of our community. I'll touch off on that in a minute. Rainy day. Perfect time to talk about subscribers. You know what, Austin and I have seen a bunch of new subscribers. Everyone that's new to the channel, thank you. Everyone that has been here from the beginning, thank you. We appreciate it. Anybody else that's seeing this and you're liking it, please hit that subscribe button so you can join our community. We're trying to make this sport bigger. Austin and I have been doing this for years. I mean years. We grind it out, we go out, we take all the footage, and then we bring it back and we edit it and we make shows for you. And don't get me wrong, we love doing it, but it's a lot of work. And one way to show your appreciation is to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and tap that notification button so you can get all the latest videos that we bring out when they come out. So, Austin and I have had a lot of talks lately, and we want to provide you guys with nothing but the best content, the best quality that we can provide. And that is why anyone that's familiar with our channel, you're gonna notice a lot of changes. We've taken some of the videos down that we felt were they were okay.
The time has come. Execute Order 66.
Master Skywalker, there are too many of them. What are we going to do?
But we want nothing but the best. So we've taken them down. A lot of the other ones that were already up there, we're trying to revamp them. We're going to make them better. We're going to make them bigger. We're going to have more graphics. We're going to streamline them so that there's not so much filler in there, because when you guys are watching our content, it's time, and we understand that. So when you're watching it, we want you to have nothing but a good time, and we want it to flow. We want you guys to enjoy the experience of watching our channel. So if anyone has any confusion about that, we apologize. Please bear with us while we're doing our remodeling, but we promise it's so that we can provide nothing but the best for our viewers. So, hope that you join our family, and until next time, I'm Topsoil Terry. Welcome to the Hammer Lane.